I just want you to know how to install the OBS Studio for creating Facebook Live screening, and then you can use also to this YouTube. You can download this from the link below in my YouTube channels. I will give you the link so that you will prompt to go to the link and then download it by copy it and download it to the website, to the web browser. Wait a minute, friend, and then we go to this website, example like this. Please subscribe to my channels. This is the link, Project Pro. I will copy the link so that you can take it soon if you wanted to. I will just save the link first so that I have a copy. Now we will install this one, OBS Studio version 22.0 for FB Live. After we install, just follow me, click next, agree, choose the destination file, which is I use program files, OBS Studio, and you can browse what you want to, where do you want to save it. These program files were 86-bit or 64. Just check the browser for the plugins. RealSense, if you want the RealSense, you can check also either, and then just install it. Wait for a couple of minutes and then you will see this OBS Studio. You can use also for recording this. You can also choose also this for microphone. You can use this for mic when you need to go to YouTube to sing a song, and then like this. Just wait a couple of minutes and it will finish soon. Please subscribe to my channel. I will this Sheridan or Rumburn. This is my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. After I already installed it, SDK RealSense, Intel RealSense, it's automatically. If you need to install this, choose, it will pump up into your Windows. Just wait a moment, guys. Yalla yalla yalla, sura sura yalla, ya habibak habibak, yalla yalla yalla, sura sura yalla. Intel RealSense is the key. Extracting configuration files. Please. It's almost done. Starting your loading addresses, the key loading addresses, and it is converted for XML. Next, click next, accept this for Intel. Next, face user to scan Intel Core Germany USA. Click this English. It's okay. Utilities, we will launch it the OBS. Now click OK. Would you like to run auto configuration wizard? You can must only configure settings and by settings with Windows. Yes, just click yes, and then after that, the first time recording, second or later recording again. Next, streaming show, and just simple like that. You can add your streaming here. If you go to the side, go to setting, stream, services. For example, you want to go to Facebook Live, you go to Facebook Live, creating Facebook Live, create live stream. After I create live stream, just started connect. Just wait a moment because my internet's very slow. Create live stream. After that, copy this URL, copy and paste this to streaming, show all services, streaming, default, where are they? Coming the person is K, show K, so we will only copy this K, like that, paste it, and then apply, then OK. Is that we click add, we add for the scene input, audio input, okay, default, okay, we add audio output kernel, okay, we click okay, we add browser or no need this browser display capture, okay, sample like that, okay. We add this media source to device, that, okay, this is all, and then you can start streaming. If you will start streaming, it will go to this Facebook Live and will fetching video stream, and then you can go to live. And that's all. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. I just want to try, and you must try also. Well, closed.